Welcome to the Smarter Money Life, powered by Forum Credit Union, where we dive into the world of smart financial decisions that can help you take control of your money to live a more fulfilling life. Whether you're looking to save more, invest wisely, or simply manage your finances better, we've got you covered. Our organizational purpose is to help you live your financial dreams. So sit back and let's get started on your journey to financial success. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Smarter Money Life. I'm your host, Andy Mattingly. Buying a home is on your radar this year, or even next year. One thing that matters more than anything else is being financially prepared before you start shopping. Today, I'm going to walk you through the key moves that can make buying a home smoother, less stressful, and more affordable. First, you need clarity on how much you can afford. A good starting point is the 28-36 rule. This means your monthly housing costs should ideally be no more than about 28% of your gross monthly income, and your total monthly debt should stay under about 36 to 43% of your gross monthly income. Now, this isn't about stretching to the max. It's about buying a home you can comfortably afford while still living the life that you want to live. So it's important that you look at these numbers and make sure it fits with what you want to do. And these are just numbers as guidelines. It's not set in stone that that's what you want to do. Now, your credit score plays a huge role in your interest rate and loan options, actually. So start by pulling all three of your credit reports and fixing any errors. This is the very first place to start. You want to aim for that score of 740 or higher to qualify for the best rates. Though many conventional loans start around 620, and FHA loans, you might be able to go lower. In the months leading up to buying a home, make sure you're paying every bill on time, keep credit card balances low, and avoid a lot of new credit inquiries. And don't close old accounts, because those are all important factors into building your credit score. And make sure your partner, if you have one, is doing the same thing. Next, focus on your debt. High interest rate credit cards and large monthly payments can hurt both your credit score and your debt to income ratio. Paying these down can improve your loan terms and free up room in your monthly budget. If you consider consolidating or refinancing debt, make sure it truly lowers your payment without adding unnecessary risk. Buying a home takes more cash than many people expect because in addition to your down payment, which can maybe be as low as 3%, you need to plan for closing costs, which can typically run about 2 to 5% of the purchase price. So after you close, you should also still have some money left for essential expenses you might need in reserve. The goal is to buy a home without draining all of your savings completely. So you might need to start planning how you're going to save this money. Another great thing to do is get organized early because it saves time and stress later. So just know that you're typically going to need a recent pay stub, maybe 2 years of W-2s, or tax returns. You're also going to need bank statements, and you're going to need identification and justification for maybe some large deposits in your accounts. And before you start house hunting, get a pre-approval, not just a pre-qualification. That way you can compare lenders, review loan estimates carefully, and ask about rate locks and options. So before you buy, do a quick gut check. You know how much you can afford, that your credit is solid, that your debt is under control, that your cash is saved and documented, and if you've got a real pre-approval in hand. Now, if everything I just said is you, then you're ready to buy a home, and you should be ready to buy a home with confidence. Thanks for joining us on Smarter Money Life. I hope you found today's tips and insights useful. Remember, smart financial decisions can lead to a brighter, more secure future. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And until next time, keep striving for financial success and living your best life.